G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's today showing you Quest's Versalite range of tables. These are a really simple and affordable range of blow molded tables for all sorts of campsite uses, food prep and also dining. So this is the 120, there's three in the range. There's the 120, the 150 and the 180. The 120 is just over 120 long and the 180 goes up to 183 long. Whereas the 120 in width here is only 61 in width, but the 180 goes right up to 76, and there's a 150 that sits in between as well. And weight-wise, they start at 7.6 up to about 11.7 kilos for the largest size. All the features and everything are the same with each size. We'll run through that today. So you can just choose one that best suits your needs. If you do a lot of food prep or you're seating a lot of people at the table, go the larger size. If you just need something for a little bit of food prep or maybe something for two, this is a really good size. Now they are adjustable from 55 centimeters right up to 88 centimeters. I'll show you how to adjust that shortly, but we'll start with the tabletop here, which is a blow molded HDPE resin or polyethylene. Kind of got a textured surface to it to make it a little less slippy, but a good food preparation surface. It's easy to clean, easy to wipe up. It's also UV resistant. It's all a powder coated steel frame throughout here. So these are all powder coated elements here and also powder coated supports up underneath here and powder coated right through to the bottom here. So this is all powder coated steel. And then you've got durable plastic or nylon components in all the locking mechanisms here. It does have a little carry handle here. We'll show you how to pack it up. I'll set it up and pack it away later in this video. That'll make more relevance then, so stay tuned if you want to see how to do that. And you do get a carry handle on the end here as well, so when it's packed up, it's nice and easy to transport to and from your campsite. Now, as I mentioned, you can adjust this up and down. So this goes from 55 centimeters down on its lowest setting here, up to 88 centimeters, so it suits tall people. This is a really smooth mechanism here to lock it. To adjust it, and you've also got individually adjustable feet on the bottom here so that you can fine tune it to be level and also not too wobbly in the campsite. Now in terms of where you use the table, how you use it and how wobbly it is, you can adjust this to be a dining table height, so you could seat two people at this. Four might be, I guess you could fit four. It's going to be squeezy, maybe two kids and two adults. As I said, if you want a bit more space, get the larger one. Wouldn't say these are the most stable tables. They have a really good value in terms of they're not costing the earth, pack up nice and compact, but they're not the most stable camp tables. They all wobble. To make it a little more stable when you set it up, just kick the leg out a little bit like this to create some tension, and that makes it reasonably stable. So we'll chuck a few things on top here just to give you a bit of an idea of how wobbly it is. So you can see it will move a little. Blow mold tables are always a little bit slippery on top. It's just the process of blow mold. It's just how it is. So these are sliding around a little bit here, but that's pretty good in terms of a table and for the weight and the compactness of it in the car. That's Quest's Versalite tables, really affordable, really compact tables, easy to set up, height adjustable as well. So for me at 185 centimeters, having a tall table like this to prep food at is really good. I know I've used lower tables before, just end up with a sore back, hunched over when I'm cutting up carrots and veggies and stuff. So this is really good for a food preparation table. Then you can just drop it down when you're ready to dine at it. So really affordable, really versatile tables for the campsite from Quest. Stay tuned if you want to see how to set it up, how to pack it away, and what it looks like when it's all folded up. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is the 120 Versalite all packed up here. So this guy weighs 7.6 kilos. The larger version of these, the 180, goes up to 11.7 kilos. This one around about 7.5 centimeters in thickness. The larger version goes up to 9, so a little bit thicker as you get larger. And dimensions wise, 61 by 65, or sorry, 63 or thereabouts for the smaller version here. And then that goes right up to 76 by about 92 for the 180 version. So that gives you a rough idea on the three different sizes, but this is the smaller size here on my shoulder at the moment. Really easy to transport. You've got this shoulder strap here that will pack up inside there if you don't want to have it hanging out, but nice and easy to transport to and from picnics or from the back of the car. And you've also got this grab handle here on the end that you can just carry it like a suitcase as well if you like. Now to set this up, put it on the hinge side down. So you've got the hinges here, hinge side down, and you've just got to separate the little clips on the sides here. So if you have a look inside, you can see there's this little plastic clip that goes in the other side here. So when you pack it up, they lock together. To set it up, you just pull them apart. Fold it out flat, And we don't need to do anything to lock this in place. While it's upside down like this will fold, but these little mechanisms here are gravity activated. So as soon as we flip this over, gravity takes over, these come out and stop it from folding up. So we don't need to do anything there. We do need to fold these legs out though, and this is really smooth action to fold these out. So pull them up, you've got little locking pins on each of these that lock into the blue slider there. Push this until it locks into place on both sides. Do that on the other side as well. And from here, we can flip it over. A little adjustable feet here, which I'll show you a little bit more on shortly. I'll flip this over now, and then go to each end of the table. And these are adjustable, as I mentioned, from 55 up to 88 centimeters. So lowest point here, got a little grippy section here for your foot. Don't push down too hard, just hold your foot above it so that it doesn't lift up. And slide this up and you can hear it lock into place. So that's 6 locking points up to the highest point there. Come to the other end and do the same thing. As I mentioned, don't push down on this, just hold your foot so that it allows a little bit of movement as you set it up. So that's 6, so that's the highest setting there. Now this does wobble a little bit, as I mentioned. To make it more stable, just kick the ends out like that. And that's all set up now. And this little gravity locking mechanism in the middle here has taken over. So if I tried to lift this up from the middle now, folds a little but doesn't fold right up. So that's how that locking mechanism there works. Packing it away is just as easy. Now you want to collapse these legs down before you flip it over, because it's easier to do this while you can push down on here. It's a bit harder to do once it's upside down. So slide these all the way down. Come to the other end. Slide these all the way down. From here you can flip it over. Go to each end, and you want to do both of these at the same time. So push down on these. You're pushing down on these buttons here, and you're pushing in on the legs here, because these come out the back like this. Push that down, that just sits into place there. Same on the other side. And now gravity's taken over and unlocked these little locking points here, so we can now just fold this over. And these little clips, we just need to engage on each side here. Fold it up, a little bit of a push, and we're good to go. As I mentioned, you can, if you want, just throw this inside there, fold it up, and then just use the carry handle to transport it in and out of your vehicle. That's Quest's Versalite tables. This is the 120, it's available in a 150 and a 180 as well. Really affordable, compact and durable tables for all sorts of campsite uses. Check them out online at snowies.com.au.